Do you see what I see on this screen right now? Do you see the drip on the glaze? We have ourselves some freshly baked glazed donuts, as well as some freshly baked chocolate glazed donuts. And guess what? You can have some freshly baked out of your oven too by simply following along to this video. This is a super easy recipe for you guys to follow. Ain't no frozen donuts over here. Dunkin', yeah, I'm throwing shots. Ain't no frozen donuts over here. We freshly baking ours, and you can too. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave a like for your boy as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. All right, guys, let's get going. On the screen here, I have a list of every single ingredient that we will be using to make our delicious baked donuts. I will leave it in the description as well for you guys. And like I said, this is so easy and quick to make. A great compliment to that coffee in the morning. Have yourself some freshly baked donuts. It's just a no-brainer, guys. You gotta go with it and try it out for yourself. Trust me, you will not regret it. I'm just going ahead and adding all of our ingredients and giving them a nice little mix. Once we have everything well combined, we're gonna grab our donut trays. I'll leave a link in the description to our Amazon store where you can find these trays if you don't already have them. I'm just spraying them down with some non-stick spray and then carefully dropping our little mix right up in our containers, guys. And once I have everything in the containers, I'll show you how we make our chocolate donuts as well. And another reason why I really love this recipe is because it's so hard to get yourself some fresh donuts. We have a Krispy Kreme that makes them fresh in the morning, but that Krispy Kreme is literally like almost 45 minutes away, and ain't nobody got time to be driving 45 minutes for some fresh donuts, even though we all know fresh Krispy Kreme donuts are everything. But yeah, we're gonna be using this cocoa powder here. I'm adding 2 tablespoons to the remainder of our mix that we have. See, because you see we already got our regular donuts out the way, and what's left, I throw in those 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I'm gonna give those a mix as well. Once we have that combined, we're gonna toss them in our other container. And like I said again, check out our Amazon store. It'll have a list of all type of stuff that you may be interested in, including this donut tray, which works out really good. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see me make some specialty donuts, like maybe some red velvet, some, you know, Reese's, Oreos, something crazy. I could really go ham and show you how to make some really unique donuts if you want to see that as well. For this first one, I wanted to keep it kind of simple and just make chocolate and regular glazed donuts. So we're gonna bake these at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and once they come out, they should look just like so. And we're gonna move on to that glaze, guys. On the screen here, I have a list of the ingredients that you will be using to make that glaze to go on top of our delicious baked donuts. We're just gonna get all of those into a bowl and give them a nice little mix until they are well combined. And another thing, let's get a conversation going. Even though I already know the answer, is it Krispy Kreme? Is it Dunkin'? Or if you have another donut spot that you really love, drop it in the comments below. Tell me who has the most bomb donuts. I'm over here in South Florida. They have a franchise called Jupiter Donuts. I'm not sure how far they stretch out, but they have some of the best donuts ever. They have a lot of specialty donuts. Let me know also if you try Jupiter Donuts, because they are really good. So we have our donuts here out of our tray. I'm just gonna drop it into our glaze just like so. and I'm gonna lay it on a wire rack just for it to kind of set for a little bit. Look at that drip. Oh my goodness, it looks so good, guys. And yo, these are amazing. So good. I'm telling you, I would not lie to you guys. These are thebomb.com. I hate to sound corny, but these, I'm trying to use I'm trying to not use any profanity, guys. These are so good. It's hard to explain without cursing. These are good. I absolutely love this, guys. It's so amazing, yo. Everybody in your household will absolutely love this. Who doesn't like donuts, man? And if you don't like donuts, man, something wrong with you. Donuts are so amazing, and when you can make it at home, it makes it even better, guys. So once you have all your donuts well coated, you're just gonna leave them on the wire rack just for a couple minutes to let that glaze kind of set a little bit. And when it does, you can sit back, get that coffee, and enjoy these bad boys. Yo, look at them, yo. Look at them. You see what I see, guys. These are everything. These are so good, guys. Moist on the inside. You got that beautiful glaze on the top. Super delicious. And you guys seen with your own eyes, yo. This is easy for you to make. It takes nothing, takes no time at all. And it comes out super delicious, guys. 10 out of 10. That's way better than Dunkin'. Believe me. You see the insides, yo. This is a beautiful, well-baked donut. Yeah, it's not fried, but it still came out super delicious. And if you could skip out frying something, you did something good for the day. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, leave your boy a like. Do not forget to leave your boy a like, guys. That's important for the YouTube algorithm. Let me know what you think in the comments as well. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that sat and enjoyed this video with your boy. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like I said, I will see you guys on the next video. Have the notifications turned on so you don't miss out on it, guys. Deuces.